how to make newsletter in MailChimp. So first, go to your MailChimp admin dashboard here. Next is just click on create, then click on design email under regular email. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, you can choose among the three here. So I'll choose this one, the basic layout. Click on it, then choose any of the templates here. So let's say I want to choose this one, the minimal one. Click on apply. Okay, now just customize this template however you want. Once you're satisfied with that, you can choose to send a test or just click on save and exit. Let's click on save and exit. Okay, now just edit the name here. So let's say example. I'll just type in example here. Okay, now after that, just add some recipients. Then of course this is your email, and then add a subject, the send time. You just schedule when you want to send it or just send it now. And then these ones are the problems you need to find a solution for. So let's see, it says that to send your email, remove or replace the placeholder text. You just need to edit your template earlier, so this problem won't be here. So after that, just click on send or finish later if you want to finish it later. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.